Ito mga friends, nakakita ako mga friends ng bird's nest dito mga friends. Mukhang mayroong baby yung bird dito. Mayroong bird's nest dito mga friends. Ayan, wow, see the bird's nest. See, get the baby bird. Baby bird. Baby bird. See that? Oh. Malaki na mga friends. You wanna see the baby bird?
I can't see.
Oh, come on.
Here we go, Abby.
That's the baby bird. Don't touch them. Okay. See, they are hungry. See?
Oh no! I heard.
Did you hear the mommy bird? That's the mommy bird. See? That's the mommy bird. Come here, mommy. We're just looking. Your baby here. Kirsten wanted to look at them.
Can I see?
See them.
I can't see.
That's the baby bird.
I no, get yourself on the way.
That's the baby bird, Crystal.
I can't see it, guys.
Oh, what you gonna do?
Carry me because I
Yung
can't.
mommy niya, oh. Hi, mommy bird. Mommy bird. Ito yung baby mo, oh. It's your baby, oh. It's your baby. Okay guys, 3 days ago, may nakita kaming bird's nest dito. May nakita kaming mga baby pa na ibon mga friends. At nagagalit yung kanilang mommy birds pag tinitingnan namin. So ikot siya ng ikot. So today, check namin kung nandito pa yung birds. Pero sa tingin ko parang wala na siya. Tingnan natin mga friends. Alright guys, let's see kung nandito pa yung mga birds.
I can't see, guys.
Okay, let's go, Aisha. Oh, see? Still there? Oh, they're gone. The bird is gone. Oh my, it's empty. See that?
Yeah.
Empty. Ooh. It's empty.
Put it down now. Oh no! Oh
Yeah.
no, your glasses.
So Aisha, come here.
It's empty. Let me go around.
Aisha, how do you feel?
I feel happy because they know how to fly, but I'm sad because they're gone.
So you gonna miss them?
Yeah.
Okay. So next time, we're gonna find again a bird's nest, okay?
Okay.
I'll say bye-bye.
Bye-bye,
Thank you guys for
guys.
watching.
Thank you guys for watching for our video.
Bye.
Subscribe to our channel and click that subscribe button.